With many comments on the last Kubota video, we're taking one of this. This is probably 3 or 4 feet of deep snow here, and it's packed snow from previous snowfalls that we blew up here. Now the customer wants it blown farther, so we're gonna see how this blower works in this deep stuff. It is -20 as well. It's real hard and crusty. Nice. Gonna put this stuff to the test next. I can step on this stuff and stand on it. It's hard, so we'll see how the blower does in it. It's probably not 4, it's probably 3 feet in here. There's the hard stuff. Alright, there's just one more quick video. Thanks for watching, guys. I had a couple people message me and say, let's hear the Kubota actually work. We want to see it not in this light, fluffy snow, and we just had to come clean out this driveway. So that was all hard blown snow that was packed on that I could walk on top of. A lot of it, not all of it. And I just thought we'd make a quick video of it actually working. You could actually hear the motor start to grunt in there, where I put in the last video that, you know, I think that a 6060 might be overkill. You know, you might get away with a 4760 or something and be just fine and never regret it, but the 6060s are readily available, and it seems like everybody just goes big or goes home. And if you're looking for a used tractor, the 60s are very common to find and the other models really aren't. So that's why we went with the 6060, and like you can see there, she worked a little bit. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep the video short. We'll see you next time on our next snowfall.